Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Comcast Corp, and I have already made a video on its long-term trend where I have spoken about its possibility of a big breakout on the upside, which could probably be a multi-year breakout, and that will change the trend. Okay, now if you just cut it down into short term, and then we are going to see how the trend is looking like in the short term as well. So let me just move towards the line chart where I can just rip off the chart a bit and just check any where you will find what will happen in the you can see here that in candlestick you have lots of uh, ups and downs, and probably you have shadows, so I just need to cut it down. For that sake I have taken the line chart, and now coming back to the candlestick, you will have your trend. Okay, here you can see your trend, how the stock has been moving. Now understand this, okay, if you are holding things for long, one thing is you need to understand the trend, not only specific to a particular company but also the sector as well. Why I am saying so? Because you will get an idea about how the sector, overall sector, is performing. So if the sector is a favorite in the market, obviously your stock, if you are holding a good stock, it will definitely perform. Now just have attention on this chart. Okay, so this is what you can see here. This is how the trend has been formed in the short term. Probably we are looking at the hourly chart, and which covers a year worth of trend here. Now the way the stock has moved here, 46.34 will be your immediate support. Okay, if the stock falls below 46.34, then there is a possibility of 43.92 and subsequently 42.78 on the downside. So this is the thing which you need to know about the stock and its trend. Now on the upside you have your big resistance at 47.41 and $47.75. Why? Because these two levels are the biggest resistance for the stock, not only in short term but also in the longer term time frame. So looking and crossing beyond this range is very important. So this is the level 47.75. Once it crosses this range, then subsequently what you are saying is it is crossing this range as well. Okay, now we are going to take a trend on the upside only. Either if you are aggressive, you can look for the big one, otherwise you can wait for the resistance to break on the upside, and then things will follow suit. Now if the trend is showing that stock will go probably on the upside, then you have your long term target for for this trend line and for this chart in a shorter time frame, 50 to 51 on the upside. So this is for short term, this will probably go up, and if it does, when goes up to 50 or 51 and stay over there, it means that a new trend has already begun. So that's why I'm saying that 46 47.41 to 47.75. These two are the biggest resistance level, not only in shorter term time frame but in daily, weekly as well as in monthly time frame. Once the stock goes above this level, then we have 50 and 51 on the upside. Not only that, if it stay above 47.75 or $48, then it does indicate that a new trend or a new bigger trend has already started. Then we are going to see how we are going to look afterwards. But already anyhow I have made a long term trend video on this script or probably on this stock, so you can go and check that as well. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.